Well guys, the F350 is down. In a good way though. We finally have all 6 rims and tires on the truck. Welcome to Fixin' 2. Okay, so we finally have safe rims for the F350. We got these things all the way from Montana to Georgia, and we're finally ready to put them on the F350. We just had them mounted here at Maxi Lube. We got these, we got the tires for them, and we're ready to put them on the truck. Okay, so we are here with the new tires and the old tires. Lock ring, no lock ring. These are 100% safe.
Okay, so with the new ones, they're 17.5-inch tires. It's Ford, Dodge, International, I believe, made 17.5-inch tires that were single piece, one piece, not with the lock ring. That had the right bolt pattern that we were looking for. So like I said in the previous video, we found a guy in Montana that had a bunch of these. While searching the internet for them, it sounded like these tires were like unicorns, that you're never going to find them because they're old, and they're as time goes on, they are getting fewer and fewer to be had that are in good shape. But we found these, got them shipped, got them here, cleaned them up as best we could. We're probably gonna end up painting them. I don't know if we're gonna go with the white or black or what we're gonna do, but we've got them here. Now the next thing we found out was on these original wheels, they've got a second little smaller hole that we found that these new ones don't have. And these are only for the back wheels, and on the back drum, there's a second little small hole right there that almost looks like it's just a hole to help stabilize the back wheel. So I've asked around, nobody seems to know or has even seen that hole before, but it's obviously something that came with them. They were on the rim, so I'm probably going to end up taking the grinder and grinding that stud off so they'll fit flat up against the drum. So that's what we're gonna do. We're probably just gonna do the front wheels for right now, and then come back and do the back wheels. So.
All right, so we finally got wheels under this thing. So we're gonna start it and see if it rolls.
I mean, it'll roll. We're just gonna see what it does.
Test my brake job.
All right, so we filled the bowl. We filled the bowl up because it was dry. So we're gonna try to fire it again and see if it'll pick up off the bowl, because the fuel filter is pumping. I pulled it off from here and it seems to work okay.
It's on the carb.
And then took it off from that. It looks like some kind of inline filter too. It was pumped into that, so the problem was the carb. So we filled the bowl up and see if we've gotten the air out of it, or it'll run off the carburetor now.
Okay.
Go ahead, Harrison.
So after trying to get the F350 started to test the brakes and wheels, we couldn't get it to start because whatever fuel we put in the bowl, it would just burn off and wouldn't go on its own fuel. So now we're in the Mustang, and funny story, one of our subscribers watched one of our videos and found out that he lives close by and invited us to his car club meet in Sonoya. So we're headed to Sonoya to hang out with the Pharaohs. that's going to be it for today. We were going to originally try to take the 350 down the road and test the new tires and the brakes, but the carburetor had other plans, which is really weird because we've never had carburetor problems. Fairlane. We had a good time at the meetup. We got to meet some good people. Thank you to the Pharaohs and to Mark for inviting us out there. We've been invited to a car show in May. We're going to try to bring the F350 because the C10 is down and the Fairlane is completely unreliable at this point. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. 6 sides of the truck.
Keep stuttering.